This is a rearview mirror of an auspicious star. Modified electric folding rearview mirror. We need to replace a half-hole folding bracket. To change this folding rearview mirror, you also need to use an axis. We will give you this together. This is the adapter gasket and our shaft removal tools. Okay, let's explain how to take apart the rearview mirror. First, we remove the rearview mirror. First, you have to take apart this lens. You can use a pry plate to remove the lenses. Slowly pry it in from above. Knock down the lens and pull out the heating wire inside. Then we unscrew the screws in the frame. Pull out lens regulator. You can pry it with a one-word screwdriver here. At this location, just touch it and tilt it up. Okay, after taking it down, pull this plug. Frame here, there are two buckles between it and the case. Use a one-word screwdriver to point it. Plug it in. Plug it in and remove the frame. You can point this frame with a pry plate and pry it here. Okay, let's remove this shell first. Remove the frame with a pry plate. It was taken down. And here's the screw for the turn signal. Take the screws off. Pull out the turn signal. Unplug. This thread has to go through. This plug is too big. Need to pick line. Take a picture and record a sort of this line. Then use this connection tool. Click here, the head above, press it here. Press it in place and pull it out together. After pulling it out, use a one-word screwdriver. We're going to push it down here. The lid below can be removed. Remove it. After dismantling, pull the harness out. After pulling it out, use our special tool. We put a small spacer here in the head. Take a small one and put it here. Then the one with the hole is turned down. It looks like this up there. Flip over. Here at the bottom, put a round tube tool at the bottom here. Put it up like this. Put another gasket to cover it up. Into our little iron rod, put it in like this. Okay, then flip. Tighten the screw on it. After tightening, Let's find a wrench to rotate the nut above until it can't be screwed. Keep unscrewing it. So hard to screw. Find a pair of beveled pliers. We'll stay here. Turn clockwise if you can't turn it counterclockwise. Okay, after turning, screw it until it can't be screwed. We'll loosen the nut on it. He took this off. If your car has this 360. If there is a 360. Open the yellow one here. Inside this green here. Then, just click it up. Then it's the same when you put it back. Okay, plug it in this position first. Put the yellow card back in.